Assalamu alaikum. Today is a short video about the letters that are found in the Turkish language but not in the English language, how to spell them correctly because it is very important to know how to say the letters in order to speak well. That's why I wanted to do this video. Before that, now in my channel the community tab is activated. Go to the channel, press on the community tab, and then you will see all the posts that I post daily, almost daily, very informative information. And at the same time, I ask about your opinions about certain topics. So let's start. These are the letters that are found in the Turkish language but not in the English language. We will see each one how it is spelled with some examples. The first letter is this one, the capital letter and the small letter. It is pronounced same as ch in English. An example here, chair. See this ch? This is how this letter is pronounced. Some examples, we have çiçek, çiçek, çiçek, çanta, çanta, çorap, çorap, çöp, çöp, çiçek, çanta, çorap, çöp. The second letter is called yumuşak G, which is soft G. Yumuşak means soft. This is not the way we pronounce it, of course, but this letter is called yumuşak G. Now note that this letter does not come at the beginning of any word. So in Turkish, you will not find a word starting with yumuşak G. If you want to know more about this letter, the 4 ways to pronounce it, I have a video which I will link in the description box below. You can click and watch it after this video. I explained it in details. That's why I'm going to go to the next letter, this one. It's like an I without a dot. This is the capital letter and this is the small letter. Now, to pronounce this letter, first of all, I will pronounce it. It's uh. How do you pronounce it? Put your hands on your necks and it's as if you're pushing your neck to the front or the Adam's apple. Uh. This is how you pronounce it. Try it a couple of times and some examples will be ıslak, ıslak, ıslak, ılık, ılık, ızgara, ızgara, and ısıtıcı, ısıtıcı. So ıslak, ılık, ızgara, ısıtıcı. Next we have this letter. It is E in English. So this letter is E. Simply, it's very easy, E. We have the I that we know in English. This is how it's written. The capital one, it's longer, taller, and the dot, E. İp, indirim, ilk için. İp, indirim, ilk için. This letter is sh, like share, sh, simply, sh. Şu, şemsiye, çarşamba. Here we have the ch that we spoke about in the beginning, ça. This is ça with the A. Çarşamba, çarşamba, şeffaf, şeffaf. So, şu, şemsiye, çarşamba, şeffaf. Ö. This letter is Ö. If you're familiar with the French language, it's the same as the letter E in French. Ö. If not, you move your lips to the front, both of them, Ö, and you pronounce it. Ö. Önce, özel, öfke, ödeme. Önce, özel, öfke, ödeme. And the last letter is Ü. Ü. Also, this letter is found in French. It's the U in French. Ü. Üzüm, ülke, ünlü, üst. Üzüm, ülke, ünlü, üst. We have some examples over here. These words contain the letters that I just explained. If you want this presentation or this video, I can send it as a PDF to your emails, but make sure to subscribe in the email list which is below this video in the description box. So I will send this PDF for those who subscribe. Examples: aşk, aşk, kedi, kedi, gülümsemek, gülümsemek, Türk, Türk, teşekkürler, teşekkürler, güle güle, güle güle, görmek, görmek, satın, satın, giriş, giriş, konuşmak, konuşmak, dil, dil, harita, harita, yardım, yardım, açmak, açmak, öfke, öfke, üzerinde, üzerinde, sıcak, sıcak, kelime, kelime, bazı, bazı, karşı, karşı, içinde, içinde, vardı, vardı, hangi, hangi, onların, onların, nasıl, nasıl, söyle, söyle, üç, üç, istiyorum, istiyorum, iyi, iyi. Here, these are two different words. We have the first one, ayrıca, till here, ayrıca, and the second one is küçük, küçük. So by mistake, I've put them together. Ayrıca, küçük, büyük, büyük, arazi, arazi, yüksek, yüksek, böyle, böyle, izleyin, izleyin, değişim, değişim, ışık, ışık, tür, tür, kapalı, kapalı, dünya, dünya, yakın, yakın, inşa etmek, inşa etmek, öz, öz, iş, iş, bölüm, bölüm, yapılan, yapılan, canlı, canlı, yıl, yıl, gösterisi, gösterisi, altında, altında, by mistake also, it's repeated, çok, çok, cümle, cümle, düşünmek, düşünmek, düşük, düşük, dönüş, dönüş. Again, we have a word here with you, mushakke. If you want to know how to pronounce it, check the description box for its video. Also, I will send this PDF to the email. Make sure to subscribe to the mail list in the description box below. Again, don't forget to check the community tab. I would love to know your opinions about the next video that I'm going to make, and that will help you in learning Turkish.